Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am rajuchoure. In my previous video, we have learned how to use the render function of Rmarkdown to get a report in HTML, PDF or Word format. In this session, we will see how to add title, author, specific date, other than system date and other stuff to your report. We will revise the steps first. Install Rmarkdown using install.packages function or from the tools menu. Then set working directory using set working directory function. Then test the script and render using render function. These are the steps we use to render a script to a document. And now we'll add elements like title, subtitle, author, date, and explanatory text to our report. Let's learn the use of our magic symbol hash followed by a single inverted quote. This will tell the render function that the text following this symbol is markdown text, and markdown text will be rendered as text in the report. Any line not starting with this symbol will be treated as R code. Let's add text to our file. Hash single inverted quote space and text NLS is non-linear list square model. This one. Now I will add next line, that one. It require to visualize the data. Then 2. Then decide the equation to be fitted. Then 3rd is set the parameters for NLS model. Then 4th is to fit the model using NLS function, and I'll give a space again, and we will save that. Then we will render it Rmarkdown render and name of the file, that is enzyme kinetics.r, and we'll run this line and processing is going on. Go to our works folder and here that enzyme kinetics is there. I will open that and you can see here the text, that is NLS is non-linear list square model, and then that list is there, but list is not separated on separate lines. I will just add one more line in that, white line. This hash and single inverted quote will represent the white line now, and we will run this, save and render again. Our output is ready. I'll see the output in our works folder, enzyme kinetics, and that output is there, text is there, and this list is there. And this list we got by giving the numbers at the beginning of that text. Now we will add title to the document, and I'll get again hash and that single inverted quote and 3 dashes. This is beginning of YAML header. Remember, this is YAML header. I will put new hash again and another new hash again. Here I will put this 3 dash again to signify end of YAML header. Okay. Don't bother much about this. The keyword title followed by colon, and here I will put my title in inverted quote, that is non-linear list square model, and we'll save that. We'll come to the console again. I will put Rmarkdown, that double colon, and render file name enzyme kinetics .r and run that. Output has been created. We'll see the output and it's open here. That title is there. Okay, we'll add another element in this title YAML header, that subtitle, again that colon enzyme kinetics using equation. Don't bother about the details. Then we can specify date also. Date is equal to, again in inverted quote, I will put the Christmas date here, 25th December 2021, inverted quote complete. Then we can put the output also, output, and that output is, this time I will make PDF underscore document and inverted quote complete. We'll save that and we'll run the file again, up arrow to repeat the command. And now this time we'll not get HTML, we'll get PDF file and run that. And output is created. That PDF output is there. We'll see that output in our works folder. This is the output. And here we have the title, subtitle, then author name. We forgot to input the author. Then date is there. Text is there. List is there. Numbered list this is. Okay. We'll put the author also here. Author. And I will put my name, Rajendra Choure, inverted quote complete, save. We'll close this PDF output file and we'll again render the file using render. Enter. Output has been created and here the output is there with title, subtitle, author name, date, text element and code. Here, these lines we have not started with hash. These are being treated as R code. We can add many things to it. We can make the title also. Here I will put the title, and to signify title, after this hash and inverted quote symbol, we have to put the space followed by the single. This will be the title like heading. That will be introduction. Okay, then I will put some lines there. Then these two hashes are there. This will go for the subheading, that is def of NLS. I will put just a dummy title there. This will be the second level section heading. I'll put the white line again using the empty that hash and inverted quote, another inverted quote, and 3 hashes for the third level of section heading, and that I will quote as dummy one, third level heading. And this we will save. We'll close this PDF file so that output will be written properly, and then we'll repeat the render command and run that. Output is ready, and now we'll just see the output. And here the title like heading is there, exactly similar to that. It's a first level heading, then this is second level heading, this is third level heading, and I don't know whether we can get fourth level heading also, followed by our code and output of that code. Okay. This is how we can convert our script to a very well formatted report in HTML format, PDF format, or Word format also, using render function of Rmarkdown. Okay. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, then please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends. Thank you again.